Oh, Friday, August 9th, and Dad's got the young apprentice vacuuming one of the boats so they could do some servicing. They got the big black airboat into the shop here they're still working on, and they moved this boat in late afternoon. Your apprentice cleaning out the boat?
Yeah, we've been just going steady. We're vacuuming and cleaning it
Oh,
out,
wow,
and
yeah,
we're
it's a lot
making
cleaner.
brackets around the tank and the battery, and then this one's ready to go after we put rope and shit in there.
Okay, are you going to get this one done today, you think?
We better, because the orange one has to come in. The water pump's not working.
Oh, great. Okay, so there's some of the leaves coming out here, and vacuuming's going to be probably plugged by the end of the day. But this is what these guys are doing. And the orange airboat that Dodd's talking about here is this one here. That's the one with the water pump that needs to be fixed. Anyways, there's Filipino Emily. She's been running and swimming all morning. And the young fella here and Dad, they're just going to have a coffee break right away. Okay, end of the day on Friday, and I'm going to go check on the guys, see how they're doing. And I think they got the orange airboat on the pad here.
Okay, you park the...
All right.
And then you'll have to come when you can tomorrow with this got to be tested.
Yeah, for sure.
Go ahead.
So, what did you get done today here? Not much?
More or less just running into a problem after another.
Yeah.
We drained the antifreeze.
Yeah.
Took all the hoses off, loosened the alternator.
Okay.
Went to put new water pump on. Had to do some grinding to make it fit. Because the casting was off.
Okay.
And now we're going to park it over to the side, and I'll finish it tomorrow.
Okay. So, we're joined at the end of the day by Dad's apprentice. Introduce yourself for everybody.
So I'm Matt. I'm just a summer student over at Ducks Unlimited. I've been helping Gary out with some of the work on the boats here.
Okay, is the yelling up or down? Or neutral? Or mid-ground?
Say like neutral.
Okay, good.
I deserve it sometimes, probably.
Good. And so what are you helping out Dad with here now?
So we did some work on the airboats today, but mainly what we worked on today was just the Luma Marine here, just kind of finishing off some of the last details.
Yeah.
Basically just cleaned it out, gave it a good vacuum. We made brackets to hold the battery and gas tank in there, so when we go downriver, it's not bouncing all over the place.
Let's take a look at that here.
Yeah, for sure.
So where is that here?
Just
right here.
Over there.
So did you get involved in the carpentering or?
Oh yeah, I was down on my stomach under that ledge there.
Yeah. Love
getting into the tight
So
spaces.
what do you think of the improvements on this boat?
Way better than it was before.
Yeah.
We got a whole new floor in there. Before it was just plywood that basically all the paint peeled off, so when it got wet, got really slick. So that's not very safe. So big improvement there.
So what's left on this here?
This one, it's all done. I'm just going to bring it back to the shop at the end of the day here.
Okay.
Park it. And then we're going to test it sometime next week, make sure it runs good. So all the spark plugs were changed. One of them was threaded bad, so Gary fixed that for us.
Okay.
Other than that, we just threw a safety chain on it today as well, just so if anything goes wrong with it, it's not flying off.
Okay.
Looks like Gary left a piece of vice grips here.
Yeah, better take those off.
Yeah, I think you'll want these back.
Yeah, we'll take those right now.
But other than that, that was all we kind of did today for this.
Okay.
Then we kind of worked on the pump on the airboat today, and yeah, I'm just gonna bring this back to the office, and hopefully they're happy with the work that was done.
Okay, you got to actually cross those chains.
Right.
Yeah. So a little bit of safety in there, guys. You got to actually cross your chains for when you're doing your trailer hauling. We forget about that sometimes. So yeah, this the young apprentice. He's enjoying his time at the shop. He's going to be with us for a bit yet. It's helping Dad out quite a bit, actually, here from having to hop in and out. And Dad's arm is still a little gamey from his injury earlier on in the season. So the young fella is helping out quite a bit, and I know Dad likes having him around. They're getting along, and if they weren't getting along, he wouldn't be here. I know that much. So you're satisfied with the week's work then, right?
Yeah, I'm coming back tomorrow on the weekend. That's how happy I am.
Do some overtime. Yeah. Was that, are you been voluntold for that or volunteering?
Voluntold.
Yeah, okay.
But I don't mind.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, well, anything else you want to do a shout out on? Your
No, not really.
Okay, well, young Matt here's single, ladies. So if you're looking for a handsome young devil that knows his way around pleasure craft and airboats, and he's looking for love. Okay.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, guys, we'll see you later.